The Toyota Camry just went full GR, and honestly, nobody was ready for this. Because this doesn't look like a normal family sedan anymore. Just look at this thing. Low, wide, aggressive, and somehow this new 2027 GR Camry looks more like a four-door sports car than an everyday commuter. Toyota clearly understood the assignment here. This thing has actual presence now. The standard Camry already looked sharp, but the GR version takes everything and turns it up to another level. Wider stance, massive front grille, functional-looking aero, huge brakes, side skirts, rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips. This thing looks angry. Up front, you get these super slim LED headlights with a very futuristic Toyota design, but the massive honeycomb grille and aggressive lower bumper give it this almost Lexus F meets GR Corolla vibe. And honestly, it works way better than it should. Then from the side, this is where the car really surprises you. The proportions are perfect. The body sits low to the ground, the black roof gives it that sport sedan look, and those huge wheels pushed out to the corners make the car feel planted even standing still. And the best part? Toyota didn't go overboard with fake vents and weird styling tricks. It still looks clean, still looks modern, still looks like something you could actually see dominating the streets in a couple years. And then there's the rear. This might actually be the best angle of the car. That giant rear diffuser, quad exhaust setup, subtle trunk spoiler, and full-width sporty stance make this thing look way more expensive than a Camry has any right to look. Honestly, if you told somebody this was a new Lexus F Sport Performance sedan, they'd probably believe you. Now, Toyota still hasn't officially confirmed all the GR Camry performance details yet, but rumors are already pointing toward a turbocharged GR powertrain with somewhere around 400 horsepower, possible all-wheel drive, and serious chassis upgrades inspired by Gazoo Racing. And if Toyota actually gives this thing a proper GR suspension setup with sharp steering and real performance tuning, this could completely change how people see the Camry forever. Because for years, the Camry was known as the safe choice. Reliable, comfortable, practical. But exciting? Not really. This new GR Camry looks like Toyota finally decided they were tired of being boring. And honestly, I'm here for it. The crazy thing is, this could end up being one of the few performance sedans left that still balances speed, reliability, practicality, and affordability all in one package. Which is exactly why enthusiasts are already paying attention. And if Toyota prices this thing correctly, cars like the Hyundai Elantra N, Acura TLX Type S, BMW M340i, Audi S5 Sportback, and even some Dodge Charger buyers might actually have a serious problem. Because this doesn't just feel like a sporty Camry anymore. It feels like Toyota is trying to build a future classic. Honestly, this might be the coolest Camry ever made.